Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 1.23%. This results in an average return of 0.2% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently sits in the upper section of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, which is $213.55, would first signal a stronger rate of increase. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 4.48% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 13.37% to positive 7.66%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of 10.95%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 8.77% to positive 34.01% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $189.06 and $277.71. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The Amazon stock price gained approximately 0.739% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, rising from $205.71 to $207.23. During that day, the stock fluctuated 1.46% with a day low of $205.18 and a day high of $208.18. The price has been displaying volatility during this period with a total gain of 1.55% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares with a total of 28 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.9 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price sits at 14.55%, or $35.29, below the 52-week high, and 84.12%, or $1,097.97, below the all-time high recorded on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon continues to make significant strides in artificial intelligence, announcing an investment of $10 billion in North Carolina, aimed at bolstering its data center infrastructure dedicated to AI and cloud computing. This expansion is expected to create around 500 high-skilled jobs and support thousands more in the supply chain. Such a substantial investment can enhance Amazon's capacity to deliver advanced AI services, likely positioning it as a leader in this rapidly growing sector. Moreover, Amazon is harnessing physical AI to optimize its global supply chain, aiming to streamline inventory management and reduce costs. This development reflects a strategic focus on innovation that could improve operational efficiency and ultimately contribute to profitability. By integrating AI more deeply into its logistics and robotics, Amazon could significantly enhance its delivery capabilities and customer satisfaction. In the short term, These initiatives could drive investor confidence, potentially leading to a positive impact on AMZN stock prices as they reflect the company's commitment to future growth. Long-term, the benefits of these innovations and investments may position Amazon as a dominant force in AI, allowing it to capitalize on the expected exponential growth in the AI market. Given these trends, Amazon stock may see appreciation not just from immediate operational enhancements, but also from long-term strategic positioning in the evolving tech landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Amazon a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial gave Amazon a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Amazon a hold grade while also maintaining a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs granted Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. Today, the stock is presenting mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and so far, it has declined by nearly 2%. Further decreases are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. On the positive side, Amazon stock maintains buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. If there are corrections downward, some support will be found at levels of $205.86 and $194.44. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3 between its high and low, which is 1.46%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 1.96%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important measure evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. Additionally, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of July. 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.31. Pay close attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at 208.36. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at 191.10. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Harrington Douglas J., who bought and sold 23,950 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 67.518. Overall, insiders purchased 243,235 shares and sold 1,306,102 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $199.32, reflecting a decrease of 3.82%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 15 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have altered our conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion. After examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, June 5th, we anticipate that Amazon will open lower by approximately 37 cents, starting at $206.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.